You need to log in as a radiologist. Select modality worklist or PACS. Select your patient from the worklist. Enter required demographics and tap Next. Select Indian Hispanic for ethnicity or race. Select Indian Hispanic for the community if it is not already selected automatically. If there is plaque present, select the segment of the artery. Otherwise, move on to the next field. The CIMT measuring protocol for this population is mean CIMT values of distal CCA. Tap Import SR to get the measurements directly from your PACS, or enter them manually. The assessment will be created automatically and you can modify it if applicable. Tap Next to preview the report. To print a hard copy of the report, tap Share icon. Select your printer from the list. Adjust your settings as desired and tap Print. To send the final report to your PACS, tap Export icon and select Yes, Send to PACS. That's it. Now you know how to create a CIMT report for Latin population.